Dear Cybersecurity Wannabe, this message is for you, anyone that's pursuing either technology or cybersecurity. Listen, if you aren't willing to get some grease on your hands, you're never going to succeed. Hang with me and you'll understand what I mean through the end of this. When I'm mentoring, the most common thing I hear is that, Mike, I want to be in cybersecurity. This always excites me because it's a great field to work in. However, when someone says they want to get into cybersecurity, it's like saying they want to play sports. Well, which sport do you want to play? Do you want to be on offensive security? Do you want to be in governance, risk, and compliance? Even better yet, how about defensive security? Any of these paths that you choose can still be extremely confusing. Picking a path is important. Otherwise, it can be overwhelming because there's just so much to learn. However, even after choosing a path, it isn't always clear which direction to go. What if you aren't learning the right SIEM for the next job that you apply for? Maybe you're learning Splunk, but what if your next job requires something else? What if your bootcamp is teaching you Nexpose, made by Rapid7, but there seems to be more demand for Nessus, made by Tenable? I hear OpenVas is good, which is open source, so maybe I should be learning that. Well, maybe, but I don't know. Let me make this easy for you. No matter what tool you use, they all have one thing in common. It is one thing that hasn't changed much at all, and is at the core of everything, of how everything works on the internet, including networks and, like I said, the entire internet. It's this simple thing called TCP/IP. What is it? It stands for Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol. Without getting technical, it is what makes every single device you have work. The cell phone in your pocket right now uses TCP/IP. The laptop you might be watching this on uses TCP/IP. Everything that communicates over the internet uses TCP/IP. Every defensive tool in cybersecurity uses TCP/IP. Every offensive tool uses TCP/IP. If you understand it, you have the ability to understand any tool that exists. If you learn how TCP/IP works and how to analyze network packets, you will be way ahead of most of the others. Think of it like this. TCP/IP is basically the motor of the internet. If you learn how cylinders, pistons, crankshafts, valves, and heads work, it doesn't matter what make or model the motor is placed in, you will still understand it. If you take an auto mechanics class, they don't start by teaching you different models of cars. They start by teaching you how the motor works. Don't get stuck worrying about which tool to learn. Learn the fundamentals and learn them well. If you want to be a blue teamer, understanding TCP/IP and knowing how to analyze packets will give you the ability to drive any SIEM out there. If you want to be a penetration tester, understanding TCP/IP and the packets and how they work will help you determine your game plan for your attack. If you are pursuing GRC, understanding how the internet works, the function behind it, TCP/IP, will play a major part in helping you secure organizations. If you're not willing to get greasy by tearing the motor down, leave the tools in the tool chest. Leave the SIEMs on the shelf. You have to learn TCP/IP to understand this industry and understand how networks and how the internet works. If you are willing, you'll learn how to keep it running forever. Please subscribe. There are more coming soon. Take care.